Go, Katie, go.
I'm gonna take a picture too.
Okay, hi. Hi, cute kids.
Hi.
What you got there? Ooh, is that a planet? Ooh, what is that?
No.
Katie! What's this? Katie! Katie! What's that? Oops. Hey.
I'm gonna need a bigger envelope for this one.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Yeah, go get him.
I got something to take and get me. Then I give him a video of garden.
Oh, I thought you were going to pull yourself up. Yeah?
Where is the red box? Where's the red box, Mommy?
What red box?
The one we already had. The one we already had, Mommy.
Is it on my desk? Oh, look, it's on the desk over there. Get it, Katie. Look at those red knees.